Hello Codeathon X, welcome. This is Segue MediRecords, and let's say I'm a physician who wants to add a new patient. All I have to do is click here and add patient template, and it'll automatically fill in with the pre-filled information. Now let's open a real patient or a dummy patient for more context, and right off the bat you can see that there are all the basic information laid out here at a glance. Segue also has important links and resources such as the health release form and a virtual physical examination guide. Apart from that, Segue has a field for additional medical information, but the heart of Segue lays in the medical records like lab results. All of them are pre-filled, so doctors will just have to fill this in with the details of the patient. Less formatting, more work. Now, the neat little thing here is the COVID-19 self-monitoring. So as somebody who has experienced COVID, this is important. Now, if I want to share it with the patient in a button, all I just have to do is click, paste, and now let's go to the patient POV. This is incognito, so it's all no account. It's not account-based, so let's fill that in there. Yes, yes, yes. And as you can see, it automatically fills this up. It's fast. As you can see here too. And say I want to revoke the access of that patient, all I have to click here and it'll automatically kick you out. Now, the other sections include custom fields because some doctors like pediatricians and dentists have specific measurements to take. Finally, we have the to-do list to keep doctors in the loop. This comes with an email alert aside from the push notification. Thank you, Codeathon X.